Want to create AI-generated videos for free? Here are 3 powerful freemium tools that let you turn text into video. Let's check them out one by one. First up, Genmo AI. Visit the website, sign up, and enter your text prompt to generate a video. I gave this prompt to Genmo AI, and here's the result. Next, Haluo AI. Just like before, visit the website, create an account, and enter your prompt to generate a video. I used the same prompt on Haluo AI, and here's what I got. Lastly, Vidu AI. Again, visit the website, sign up, and enter your prompt to generate a video. But Vidu AI offers something extra. You can also create videos from images. I used the same prompt, and here's the final result. And that's it.